Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Nadine West clothing unboxing. This is a monthly subscription. You fill out a profile and they pick out clothes for you, and it's really cool. Yeah, there's a little advertisement about their subscription, making good gifts and stocking stuffers. And then they give you an itemized list, so if you want to keep anything, you know exactly how much you would be charged for it. So it looks like I have 2 tops, 2 bottoms, a dress, and a necklace. They come really nicely bundled. So let's take a look. Have some jeggings that I will insert full pictures of these at the end so you can see it better. Has a thick band. It's a nice dark denim. Very soft and stretchy. So those are cute. And then this might be the other pants. Oh, those look comfortable. So this has a thicker band too. Big pockets. Wide legs that look comfy, and then they are tapered. And a lot of the pants and shorts that I've gotten that are this material, they're my favorite to wear around the house because they're just super soft. This may be the dress. Oh, that's cute too. So it is a little low cut, but it cuts in like that. By Selah, dark green. It's flowy and it has pockets. So a lot of times their dresses do have pockets, and sometimes I don't notice it until I go to take a picture. So very cute. That's adorable. I like pretty basic stuff. I don't like crazy patterns or anything. So far, all stuff I would wear. And then I did receive a necklace, it says. See if I can get it untangled. Oh, that's kind of cool looking. Has like little waves or bends in it. Very cute. It's not adjustable, so it's just one length, but it's a nice necklace. Here we have a striped shirt. This is also by, I said Selah earlier, I guess it's Selah maybe? That is just a long sleeve, flowy, black and white striped shirt. Super cute. And Hippie Chick. I normally get several things from Hippie Chick, and that's all the stuff I love. This is one of my favorite brands. Just a plain black shirt, does crisscross in front, long sleeves, and flowy. Cool. This is a really good bag this month. So I will go ahead and insert the pictures and put all the prices below as well. That way you kind of get an idea of how much the stuff costs, though it does definitely vary by jewelry and all sorts of stuff. And if you guys are interested in a subscription, I'll put a link below that'll give you a promo code. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.